How to redeem Apple gift card. Today, I'll show you how to redeem an Apple gift card on your iPhone so you can use it for games, apps, music, and more. So first, open the App Store on your iPhone. So if you're not signed in, tap the account icon at the top right and sign in with your Apple ID. So once you're in the App Store, tap your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. So this will open up your account menu. Then, scroll down a bit and you will see an option that says Redeem Gift Card or Code. Tap on it to continue. And here you have two options. So if you have a physical gift card, then tap Use Camera to scan the code on the back. Hold your camera over the code and it will automatically recognize it. And if you have the digital code, tap the Enter Code manually and type in the code from your email or card. So once the code is recognized or entered, tap Redeem in the top right corner of your screen. Then you will see a confirmation message letting you know the amount has been added to your Apple ID balance.